In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Apple Maps voice directions louder, ensuring you never miss a crucial turn again. Whether you're navigating a busy city or taking a leisurely drive through the countryside, having clear and loud directions is essential to a stress-free journey. First, let's address the simplest adjustment, your iPhone's overall volume. It's easy to overlook, but often the quickest fix is to increase the volume. You can do this by using the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone. These buttons control the overall output sound, so try turning it up to see if that resolves the issue. If you want a bit more control, or if those buttons aren't working as expected, you can head over to your settings. Navigate to the sounds and haptics section where you'll find a slider labelled ringer and alerts. Sliding this to the right will increase the volume of alerts, including your Apple Maps directions. Adjust this according to your preference for louder and clearer guidance. Now let's ensure that the audio is being outputted to the right device. It's common in modern technology setups to route your audio through various devices, which might not always be your intention. To check this, open your control center by swiping up from the bottom or down from the top right corner on newer iPhone models. Here you'll see your current audio output settings. Make sure the audio is set to your preferred device, whether it's your iPhone speaker or your car's Bluetooth system. Remember, if you're using external devices like a Bluetooth speaker or your car's audio system, you'll need to adjust the volume there too. Sometimes, even if your phone's volume is maxed out, the actual playback device might be set too low. Ensuring that both the iPhone and the connected device are set to a high enough volume is crucial. Finally, think about any other sounds that might be competing with your navigation directions. If you've got music playing, a podcast on, or even a chatty passenger, these can interfere and muffle the Apple Maps instructions. Simply pause the music or podcast, or lower their volume, to give your navigation directions priority in the sound hierarchy. By following these easy steps, you'll be well on your way to having louder and clearer navigation directions from Apple Maps. Give these adjustments a try next time you hit the road, and you should notice a significant improvement in how well you can hear your directions. Thanks for tuning in, and safe travels on your next adventure.